which will help increase our nation's exporting potential in times ahead. Now let me talk about some of the things which have been raised by Farooq Khan. Absolutely, I think tax incentives, we have to rationalize them. I think we have to make sure that, investment in this country just improves, and investment in this country in productive sectors. Well, I am not against, the real estate sector, and that obviously also has its own benefits to the economy, because as you know that, the housing sector, benefits around 40 industries, and also it creates a lot of employment. But, we have to make sure that, that those benefits are aligned with other sectors, productive sectors of the economy, and the capital is not diverted entirely to the real estate sector. And we also have seen in the past, and this is an important announcement I'm making, that, people are just investing in land. They buy plots and they just lie there for years and years. And that is, productive capital sunk into dead assets. We will be coming up with some, some kind of taxes which will be applied on those dead assets, so that the money can be, recycled to the other sectors of the economy. When you talk about the SOEs, I absolutely agree with you. I think what we have been, seeing a phenomena, which is the circular debt phenomena, which has choked, some of our public sector companies, especially the energy, and we are in the process of unlocking that. So you will see that, the petroleum companies and some of the power companies, they will basically, who are listed, will suddenly see a lot of activity, and that is needed, because OGDC, trading 3.5 and dividends 18% doesn't make sense. So I think we will be doing something over there, and that will help your stock exchange, because they are heavyweights. You talked about development of debt market. Yes, of course. The debt market was supposed to be developed by companies like Park Kuwait, Park Oman, the joint investment companies, because they are AAA rated, and they had to go and just raise debt, in the market, and then of course some of them could have been, listed as well, but they have not, they have not been doing what they should have been doing, but we will be now making sure that we just get them in the right direction. But also the REITs, and we are encouraging REITs now, and there will be a lot of REITs. Why? Because this National Asset Management Authority, which has been formed and which is in the finance division now, we will be using REITs as a mechanism to unlock the real estate potential of assets in the public sector, and those will be listed. And as we list those companies, I think the capitalization of stock exchange will just go up rapidly. I would also like to encourage you, the remarks you made about expanding the investor base. I mean, 350,000 investors in such a large country doesn't make sense. So I think, I would encourage that you also look at, what happens in your environment. Why is that, people have no faith in, or not too many people have faith in stock exchange. I think this country should have millions of, investors in this stock market. I think that is a challenge for you. And as far as the Federal Board of Revenue is concerned, I can assure you that we'll give you all the support. I think, Farooq Khan, you've been working very hard, I think, under the leadership of the SEC chairman and the chairman of the stock exchange, Dr. Shamshad, but you will also see me standing with you, because I'm also the ex-chairman of the Karachi Stock Exchange. So I understand, your problems. and certainly understand the potential of capital markets, because the only formal capital, source of financing today are the banks, and we do not have very large kind of capital markets, and we need them. So you will have all the support. I once again congratulate all of you for this adventure, and thank you very much.